Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable bank linking for budgeting with Rocket Money. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable bank linking for budgeting with Rocket Money, open the Rocket Money app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is open, log into your existing account, or create a new account if you are a first-time user. On the home screen, look for the option that says Link your bank account or accounts. Tap on that option to start the bank linking process. You will be prompted to choose your bank from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, you can use the search bar to find it. Select your bank from the list, and you will be redirected to a secure login page. Enter your online banking credentials, including your username and password. After providing your login information, tap the Login button. Some banks may require additional security verification or two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions provided by your bank to complete this process. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see a confirmation message. Review the permissions that Rocket Money requests for accessing your bank account data. If you agree, confirm to allow access. Rocket Money will then sync your transactions and account balances. This may take a few moments, so be patient while the app retrieves your data. Once the sync is complete, you will receive a notification. You can now start budgeting effectively by tracking your expenses and setting financial goals. Check your budget overview to see how your linked accounts are contributing to your financial plan. Finally, explore additional features like categorizing expenses and setting alerts for budget limits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.